Does Robinhood pay dividends? Robinhood, the popular trading platform, does not directly pay dividends to its users. Unlike traditional brokerage firms, Robinhood's business model revolves around commission-free trading, which means they don't generate revenue from dividend payments. Instead, they earn revenue through payment for order flow, margin interest, and other fees. By the way, if you're looking for a reliable broker with very low deposit requirements and quick withdrawals, I have put some links in the description box below to the brokers I use myself. Check them out. Let's continue with our video. While Robinhood doesn't pay dividends, it offers a unique approach to investing by allowing users to trade stocks, options, and cryptocurrencies with zero commission fees. This accessibility has attracted a large user base, particularly among younger investors. However, it's important to note that commission-free trading doesn't necessarily equate to lower costs. Other fees, such as margin interest and inactivity fees, can still apply. Moreover, Robinhood's focus on gamification and ease of use has raised concerns about the potential for impulsive trading and risky behavior, especially among inexperienced investors. While the platform has taken steps to address these concerns, it's crucial for users to be aware of the risks involved and to conduct thorough research before making investment decisions. In conclusion, while Robinhood doesn't pay dividends, it offers a commission-free trading platform that has revolutionized the investing landscape. However, it's essential to weigh the pros and cons of this approach and to understand the underlying costs and risks associated with using the platform.